Hi everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla and I have my mystery box of awesome to open for you today. Let's see what's in it. Okay, if you don't know what the monthly box of awesome is, it is a mystery monthly subscription box. So it is $24.99. I'll link all the information down below. I don't have any coupon codes or anything. I buy this box and it is just that. It is a mystery. You don't know what you're going to get in here. It has all kinds of things. Household, food. I wouldn't say it's a lifestyle box because it's random what they put in here. This is curated by 13 Deals. This is their mystery box. So if you want a monthly subscription that you have no idea what's going to be in there that might be fun, then this is the subscription box for you. So I will open this up. Okay, this is, it tells you one person received a 77-inch Pure Spa portable bubble massage spa set. So it's a surprise. Somebody that they send out the mystery box to, and then next month one person will receive a Nordic Track C700 treadmill. My box wasn't big enough for me to get either one of those, so here is everything that's in the mystery box. Now this is the December mystery box. I got this fairly late in December, and look, oh, you can't see, I bought a milk frother and I'm so excited. I just made me a vanilla latte. So good, so good. Okay, first thing on top here is a scarf, and it is a thick, heavy-duty scarf from BCBGenerations. It is from Macy's. It's got a Macy's tag on it. It is heavy, and it is very, very nice. It is very long, has little fringes on the bottom. It's gray and white, and it's really, really pretty. I am going to hang on to this. Next thing in here is, it looks like a toy. Is this a toy? Has Disney on the bottom. It says Disney Princess. Requires, oh, so the batteries are included. What is this? Oh, it's a mug. How do you wash? Oh, okay, so the plastic comes out so that you can wash it. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's green, red, purple. Very cool. Oh, now it's red, so it blinks. So it changes. That's very cool. That would be really cool for a little girl. Oh, how awesome is that? That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna give that to my grand niece. Okay, the next thing in here, commuter waiting games, things to do while driving, riding, or flying. So here's this part is really thick, and it shows, you know those little see those little balls in there? But there's no holes for the balls to rest in. It says a genuine ball game cover, but honestly, there's no holes for the balls to rest in. I don't know how you'd ever play that. There are no holes anywhere. Those little blue dots, they're not holes. There are no holes anywhere for those little balls to... Okay, well that's weird. So let's see what's inside. Commuter waiting game. So it has what to do on a train and subway. What? Make a wedding dress out of a newspaper. Music. What's wrong with this train station? So it's what's wrong with this picture. What to do in the auto and bus waiting games. Biking and walking. Airplane. Oh my gosh, no. This has to be a joke. This has to be a joke. Because this says, tear a deck of airline playing cards in half. And it shows a picture, so I read it, but it says if the kid behind you keeps kicking your seat, show them how you can break in half a deck of cards and then throw the cards on the kid, and that'll keep them busy for a while. This has to be a joke. That's going to be a white elephant Christmas gift for next year. Michelle, be ready. Okay, the next thing in here is Power XT Pro Series, the perfect tool, a micro precision bit set, and it has a little bendable 18-in-1 little tools, so 6 in each one. There you go. Very cool little screwdriver set. The next thing in here is a plastic water bottle. Thermo steel drinkware. It is a double wall tumbler for hot or cold liquids. So there is a double insulated wall here. It's just a screw top lid, and then it has... That's my husband. Hang on. Hello? I'm okay. Thank you. Okay, I will. Thank you. Love you. Bye. He was just calling to check on me to see how I was feeling, because when he got up and left this morning, I had a really bad headache. So I like the tumblers. I have a lot of them. So this I'll probably just give to a friend or a family member. And then the last thing in here is something that I received in a Peaches and Petals box last year. This is the Memphis Margarita glass set. Comes with 2 glass margarita glasses. They are glass. It comes with 2 umbrellas, 2 flamingos, and 2 straws. It's just margarita glasses. If you like the cocktail, or if you don't like the cocktail, you just like to a fancy drink, you can use this for your orange juice or something. That was it for the December mystery box of awesome, and this is my last one. I will say this about those mystery boxes. I canceled it because I just found that there was so much stuff in there I wouldn't use. Great to give as gifts, but this I will be giving to my grandniece. This I won't be using. This I won't be using. This I'm likely not going to be using. This I'll give away, but this I'm going to keep because of this. It's a scarf. But this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 6 items in the box for December, and I think that was really nice. They threw in. It's usually 5 items. I think they probably threw in an extra item for Christmas. So here is the ultimate question at the end of this. Is it worth it? Well, I think that's a loaded question because I think the value is there. I think that if you were to add all these things up, you would have at least $25 worth of items. Is it valuable? Do you have, you're paying $25, are you getting at least $25 worth of money in there? Yes, I do believe you are. However, for me, this was fun to do, but I'm just not using those things. There's just, I mean, this is probably a $20 scarf, if not more than that. So that's nice, and I will use this scarf, but I just found for the times that I was getting those boxes, I wasn't keeping or using the stuff in the box. I think there was one box where everything was awesome, and I wanted to keep everything, but since then, I'm not keeping everything in the box. So it is a hit and a miss, but that's why it's a mystery. I mean, you could get chocolate, we got a cheese block in there one time. That was funny, and it was good. So you don't know what you're going to get in this box, and you have to determine if it's worth it for you. For me, it was worth it for the months that I had it, but because I found that I wasn't using any of the things in there, or very many of them, I felt that I wouldn't pay that much for that box if I had saw it. Like this, I think it would be valuable if you saw this sitting somewhere and it said all the items in here, $25 for everything, like at a side auction. Yeah, it would be worth the $25 to buy it, but I wouldn't have bought it unless I wanted to give gifts away. I feel like I'm rambling. Do you follow what I'm saying? Do you smell what I'm stepping in? Are you catching what I'm laying down? You feel me, right? You know what I'm trying to say. I think it depends on the person receiving the box. It's fun because it's a mystery, regardless. I canceled. I'm not getting any more of these boxes. There's my opinion on it. I think they're fun boxes. And if you like that sort of thing, then this might be the box for you. So check them out. I will link their information down below. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the mystery box of awesome with me. And come back and see me again. Mwah.